Have you heard of Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia, which has some of the best city nightlife in Asia? In 2019, Indonesia officially announced its plans to move the capital city away from Jakarta. Including the suburban population, Jakarta has around 30 million inhabitants and they will all be displaced to the new, yet to be built city of Kalimantan. The reason being, various parts of Jakarta are sinking as much as 25 centimeters per year due to the rising global sea levels and land subsidence. Experts speculate that if sea levels keep on rising like this, Jakarta will be underwater by 2050. Hi, I'm Sanchit Jain. I am a grade 11 student who is really passionate about technology. I am creating DIY kits to help students learn about climate action in a more hands-on way. When I joined the Purpose Academy by 1M1B in partnership with SCET from UC Berkeley in January 2021, I thought that this is yet another program where I could create a project and maybe win some recognition. But instead, I and the other members were asked to solve real-world challenges and create an impact. Since I am really into climate change and global warming, I chose climate change. Then the real work began. In the beginning, I had the idea to create a platform where students can realize their impact on the environment using artificial intelligence, and my target audience was just general students. When I started talking to my mentors and conducted customer interviews with teachers and students, I realized that there is a need for a DIY kit. A DIY kit that could help provide climate action education in a more hands-on manner. So then I came up with the project idea and named it Project Climate DIY. With the help of my mentors and instructors like Mr. Sudhi, Mr. Mark and Miss Elizabeth, I was able to understand about systems thinking and how to create a systems map for the challenge I was addressing. Within the systems map, I learned about the mission moments which helped me understand the steps I needed to take my project a success, and this gave me a direction for framing my action plan. After extensive planning and research, I got to do the campaign to deliver my idea out there. This is where I faced my first setback. The Purpose Labs team reviewed my presentation and nothing was up to the mark. I was very disappointed, and I kept telling myself that I am not a professional who could give that kind of presentation and give deliverables in such a short period of time. But the mentoring helped me a lot in building my self-belief and helped me in refining my presentation and in becoming a better presenter. In the program, I got to know in detail about wicked problems and mental models. With this knowledge, I was not only able to interpret how problems with no direct solutions can be called wicked, but also able to understand how we as humans use mental models to react to the reality around us. I joined this program after completing my internship at IBM. My aim through entering this program was to know more about business models, systems thinking, and social entrepreneurship. But I can tell you, this program has taught me more than that. I learned how to make interesting videos to share my story. Learning storytelling from master storyteller Ralph Guggenheim, the co-producer of Toy Story and the co-founder of Pixar, is a memory that I'll always cherish. The main thing I was so excited about was business models. I didn't know anything about finance when I joined the program. Now when I look back, I realize I have grown so much, not only in terms of financial aptitude, but also as a leader. The program has given me enough exposure and skills to continue my project at full scale. I am super excited to get out there and implement my project with the beneficiaries. With everybody's help and the learnings from TPA, I am sure I'll be able to reach my mark of impacting at least 500 students across India.